In this video, we'll be hunting for airdrop and the best place to get guide on any airdrop you want to hunt or potentially participate in testnet or mainnet is airdrop.io, and even one the token will be hunting for this airdrop. You just need to participate in this testnet. You don't need to pay any transaction fee. You need to press this and come over here and check this. Click on register now and connect your wallet. Now I have to click on this error, select different wallet. Right here I will press this MetaMask and then I press this. You have to add this, it's going to approve this, so it's going to switch this to the chain. Then you have to go back again. Step 4 right there, verify account and complete this verification right here and press continue. It means you have to input and register this as normal account. Once you press continue, once you pass this first step right here, you need to I'm already a member or you can join, and you have to press this and just accept this. Make sure you are logged into your mobile phone, and when you press this authorize and verify this. Step 3 of now you have to the personal information captured below is for testnet purpose only and does not need to be valid. When mainnet go live, you will verify and use the valid and okay. Right here, and right here I just finish register this, and right here we need to go back to this and go to swap and make some swap, and we need to ask for token right here, sign in, and your MetaMask is going to pop up right here and press sign in. Alright here, just press request and congrats, your request for this token has been sent, so you will arrive shortly. You have to press this. This website just make the process more easier, so do not show this again and dismiss. And right here you have to wait for this testnet to arrive. Connect your MetaMask, and again you will always interact with your MetaMask again. And right here we have 10 of this token right here. You will just let's go back again to check our guide. Okay, make some swap, go to providable identity frame and mint an NFT. Okay, right here we just first do this swap. Let's use this and select one token right here, and we will select Bitcoin. And right here I will need to swap this, confirm this. Always you will interact with your MetaMask, press confirm and press close. Successful. I believe is going to deduct from this. You see, already deduct from some token right here. And the next stage you want to do is then mint an NFT of you. Okay, you have to mint an NFT. Okay, it said mint an NFT of your contra ID. Right here, you have to mint this NFT and confirm this. Waiting for this confirmation of maintain of this, and the eighth step right there is testnet app and try more features out. Let's see. And right here, they have confirmed to launch their own token, and they will do an airdrop to users who participate in their testnet. For more information regarding this, you can check this article out. And that's just a step-by-step guide on how to hunt for an airdrop without spending a dime. You just need to do some this testnet, and this all you need to do. Features right here. There are no more stuff to do right here. That's all this borrowing and lending. You just need to come back to this and network right here to be performing this airdrop or stuff like that, and you have to stay update on their network right here. Press this telegram and make sure you join their group so you can get latest information about their projects, and that's all. And right there, I'm going to leave my referral link in a video description so you can check this out and use my referral link if you'll be testing this and testnet out. And I'm going to see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell for more testnet video tutorial.